my god. Hello.
I'm in my room far more than I would like to admit. My room itself has a ton of functions. I use it to sleep, work out, do keyboard stuff, do YouTube stuff. It's even my work from home office. I should really go outside and touch grass sometime. Hi everyone. I've had a lot of people on Discord ask me about my setup for all my keyboard stuff as well as YouTube and work from home, just all that stuff. So I thought I would give you guys a quick rundown to show you what I got going on. Starting off, I love my room. It's like my little sanctuary. Overall, my room typically looks like a cool like office setup situation, but that wardrobe looking thing is actually my bed. I actually have a Murphy bed, so when it's time to work, I can easily get it out of the way, and when I need to sleep, I can easily hit the hay. Love rhyming. I should be a rapper. I'm pivoting from being a keyboard YouTuber to being a rapper. I don't think that's ever been done before. On the opposite wall are 3 IKEA shelves that basically host a bunch of different things that kind of like represent me. On it, I have fun artwork from myself and some of my friends. I have my personal items, Switch games, keyboards, records. The goal was to make it a wall that just really represents me and is also cool and nice to look at. I also have my old ID80 keyboard on there, which I use as a switch tester. Because it has an integrated plate, it's incredibly stiff to type on, which I think gives a really good baseline for testing out all different kinds of switches. I also have this pull-up bar and gym rings rig that I have set up over the door frame to my bathroom. This is for doing calisthenics workouts. I got super into it by watching the YouTuber Hybrid Calisthenics, and that's actually where those gym rings are from. And behind there's my bathroom. I'm not gonna give you a bathroom tour because I don't think anyone wants that. This corner of my room is actually reserved for my sweet, beautiful, handsome corgi puppy that I'm getting at the end of the month, and I am super duper excited for him to come home. So he's taken over that corner and he hasn't even gotten here yet. So super excited. I'll show you guys in when I get him. Now, my closet is a giant mirror, which is really convenient. Obviously, it really opens up the space and makes my room look way bigger than it is. It also has an entire IKEA storage system inside. I store my Huion drawing tablet in here when I'm not using it, so it doesn't take up as much desk space. On the top shelf, I store my keyboard stuff that I don't use as often. So things like extra keycap sets that I'm not using, switches that I'm not using, carrying cases, basically anything that I'm not like using on a consistent daily basis goes in the closet so that I don't have it clutter up my workspace. At the focal point of my room is my desk. It's framed with both my acoustic guitar and my bass hanging on each side, my amplifiers, my plants, my treasured Les Paul, and my drawer unit. The drawer unit holds miscellaneous tech stuff I use often, art supplies, and is also where I rest my PC.
A desk door.
It's an IKEA mid-back, and it's got a glass top on it. It's super deep and it has so much space, not only on the top, but below on each side. I store books, boxes of supplies, notebooks, and on the other side, I have an organizer with tools on the top of a laptop stand, and under that, I store tech things like my iPad and my Nintendo Switch case. My organizer has a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that I use very often, like dielectric grease, screwdrivers, markers, blue light glasses, and more. Basically, anything that I need to quickly grab and reach is right there. My PC is in an NZXT case with an RTX 3070, 64 gigabytes of RAM, Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, and it is truly a beast and can handle most everything I throw at it. That means a lot because I'm an After Effects animator and I throw a lot at it. My monitor is some LG ultra-wide that I got on Facebook Marketplace for a discount. And I'm using a Razer Kiyo Pro for a webcam. There it is. Quality's okay. It's okay. The software's horrible though. If you know, you know. For my microphone, I use an Audio-Technica AT2020 mic with a pop filter on a mic stand. Super convenient for when I need to move it out of the way or take it out to do voiceovers or sound tests. I have this super cute Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch and a catch-all bowl for whatever random things I have on my desk. This desk lamp is also from IKEA. I think it was like $15. I have this amazing desk organizer from the Container Store that I bought for only 25 bucks that has been fantastic for switches and supplies. I have drawers for different switches, lube containers, tools, and stabilizers that I can pull out whenever I need them. They also have dividers that help each drawer look full even if I have more or less of one type of each switch. You can also take out each bin for easy access or lubing sessions when needed. It's been really amazing, and I think it looks sweet on my desk, and it's a great way to display switches while also having functionality. On top of that, I have a lovely snake plant that is definitely not dying, and my tablet pen for whenever I take out my Huion tablet from the closet. I have an Xbox Elite Series controller. It's honestly one of the best gaming controllers I've ever used. Now down here I have a routed USB-C cable for general use, but mainly it's connected to this IKEA wireless charger adapter thingy for my phone. I think it was only like $5, and it's pretty awesome. It works just as you would expect. And then when I'm not charging my phone and I want a game, I can take that USB-C out and use it for my Xbox controller. I also use a Logitech G Pro wireless. It does what it's supposed to do, but albeit I think it is a little overpriced for what it is. Then of course I got my Cable Mod Pro coiled aviator cable that leads right to my Bakaneko 65. My current Bakaneko build is an all-white with GMK Hennessy and Vermilion Bird switches. It's super fun to type on, it looks really clean, and well, to be honest, I switch it out with my KBD 67 Lite every once in a while to go from clacky to thocky in an instant, really depending on the mood. And yeah, that's kind of like the desk setup. I mean, there's not really much else to say. I think it looks really cool, and I haven't really seen a lot of desk setups on YouTube that exactly really look like this. I think mine is like kind of industrial, kind of modern, kind of also cozy in a way. I don't know. I like it though. Not only is it a place where I feel like I could be productive, but it's also a place where I can have a lot of fun, and I'm surrounded by all of my favorite things. Anyway, there's not really much else to say other than that. Links below for stuff in the setup, I guess, and I got some affiliate links down there too if you want to support the channel, as well as my Discord. You guys can join and come hang out with me, talk to me, whatever you guys want, and of course, don't be a stranger.